Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're talking about drinks business that you can actually do that will guarantee a peace of mind. Yes, I've had people ask me what and what can I combine, what can I sell with my dates, what can I sell with my dates. I'm going to mention like three things that you can actually sell, and with this kind of business you have peace of mind. Like you won't really have this worry of will it spoil, will it not spoil, because you already have it at the back of your mind that this is going to last for a period of time. Now, if you are okay, I'm just going to go straight to the point, mention these three things that you can actually sell together. Number one is yogurt, number two is zobo, number three, you can either choose between ice cream or tiger nuts. Choose between ice cream or tiger nuts. Now, if you have to choose just two things that you can do, and like you're looking for something that has a long shelf life, like something that you can actually prolong its shelf life, and yeah, you will sell with peace of mind, then go for yogurt and zobo. Yogurt and Zobo are two combos, like two businesses you can actually do with peace of mind. You guys, with yogurt and Zobo, you're sure of your product lasting up to 4 months. Because yeah, once you add preservative to your yogurt, you add preservative to your Zobo, you don't even have fear. In fact, Zobo can even last up to 5 months. Yogurt can last up to about 4 months, depending on the kind of preservative that you're adding. So if you are into these two businesses, trust me, you will make it. And then these two businesses are actually things that are lucrative. I actually choose these two because they don't have much work. Like the stress is not too much compared to when you have to do soya milk, when you have to do tiger nut drink. The stress involved in these two businesses are things that personally it may even turn me off from doing them. Right? Yes, the businesses are lucrative businesses, but if you're one person that you're looking for something that will guarantee your peace of mind, like you won't have to stress yourself, oh, how am I going to do this? How am I going to keep this? How long am I going to keep this? How long will it take me to do this production and all that? Like you're looking for something that will not stress you out, at the same time give you good money, like good profits. Yogurt and Zobo is the real deal. Now, if you want to add an extra one, then you can add ice cream to it. But now, the difference between these, like combining these three businesses, is that except you have like more than one fridge in your house, okay, or maybe you have a fridge that has a freezer and then it has the other parts, you know what I'm talking about now. Yeah, if you have that, then you can actually add ice cream to this. Ice cream business is one business that you will not even worry about it getting spoiled, provided it is frozen, and it is very very lucrative. It has so much profit, so you can actually make your ice cream, put it in the freezer, and then your yogurt and zobo can be down. You can also actually freeze your zobo and it will be fine, but do not freeze yogurt. Okay, you don't need to freeze your yogurt. Now, even if you're doing these things for supply, you're a sit-at-home mom, you're a man, you want a side hustle or something that will not stress you too much, I still recommend you doing these three things, or you doing two. Okay, if you want to do two, you can do your yogurt and your zobo, do it and supply with peace of mind. You're sure that this thing will not spoil. These things can stay up to 4 months. They will not spoil with the person you're taking it to. It's not something that has just 1 month shelf life. It's not something that has just 2 months shelf life. They can actually stay up to 4 months. So it won't, like, when you're doing business and you have peace of mind, like this is going to work. You know the joy that comes with it. And then it doesn't really stress you. Making Zobo just takes like, let's say maybe 1 hour or 2 hours. You're done making your Zobo. And it is as simple as, very, very simple. Making it is very simple. Making yogurt as well doesn't really have much processes. And then once you're done, you're done. You add your preservative and you're done. So these things are things that will not stress you. Now the ice cream one, right? The ice cream one is just something that takes less than 1 hour. Yes, less than 1 hour. You can make your ice cream, package it, freeze it for a number of hours that you have to freeze it, and then you supply. Now, the people you supply your ice cream to, they already have freezer, because if you don't have freezer, there is no need venturing into such business. They already have their freezer, so they are going to store it in the freezer. And trust me, it's not going to, it will spoil. It will not spoil. It has no reason to melt. It will not spoil. Do you get? So this is one of those things, like ice cream, yogurt, zobo are the three things. If you're looking for the one that is stress free, that will not stress you too much and will give you peace of mind while you're at this business, then you can actually go for these three businesses. Now, if you have strength, if you have the energy, you can now venture into those two, soya milk and tiger nuts, if you have the strength and you have the energy. Otherwise, if you're looking for something that will not stress, maybe you're a mom or you're a man or you're just someone who's looking for something for a side hustle, or you're a stay-at-home mom, just you're looking for something that will not stress you too much. Like someone like me, I don't really like stress, guys. I know there are other people like me out there. So because I've gotten this question, like what can I combine with this? And most people who ask me this question are people who are selling yogurt already. What can I combine with this? Or what can I sell together? Because yeah, if you want to do these drinks businesses, I won't even advise that you sell just one thing. Okay, sell more than one, because people who want to, maybe somebody may want to take drink, maybe it's a hot weather and then someone want to take drink, and the person may not have maybe like 1,500 naira to buy yogurt. The person can have like 500 naira to buy zubu. The person can have like 300 naira to buy it, but depending on what you are, like how much you're selling. Okay, and there's always one thing, one business that you can actually freestyle it, you can actually make it however you want to make it, and you will not even go wrong. You can add whatever you want to add. People add herbs, people add what I've never seen people add to Zobo is roots. I don't know if you add roots. There's nothing people cannot do. The people add roots to Zobo. That's one thing I've not seen. But people add like lemongrass, different herbs to their Zobo. People add a lot of things to Zobo, make this Zobo and sell. There are Zobos that want to take it, they taste like wine. Some taste like different, we have different ways of making Zobo, and you make money, so much money making Zobo, because you don't really need so much, like you're not putting in so much into this business, but your packaging and the taste of a product will determine how much you bring out of the business. Same thing with yogurt business, right? You don't really need to stress yourself too much, but trust me, your milk and water will multiply and you will bring out. Yogurt business is one very lucrative business, and I always, like, if you're looking for something to do, I what first thing I tell you is, if you can, like, if you have the money to do yogurt business. So Zobo business and yogurt business are one thing, like two things that you can easily just do and you will succeed. Any of these things, any drink that you want to learn how to make, if you don't know how to make, if you know how to make it, do your pattern. If you don't know how to make them, I teach on how to make them. If you know how to make them and you don't know how to preserve them, in order for them to last for you, I teach how to make, I teach how to preserve different drinks and even ice cream. Okay, so this is just an advice for you looking for something easy, something that will not to stress you, that you can actually start doing. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bell, so that anytime I post new videos on this channel, you'll be the first person YouTube will notify. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.